Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar did come in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold definitely did continue down, pretty much proving that it wasn't a flat pattern, because I did see 3 waves down, 3 waves up. I was wondering if it was going to make 5 waves down and then turn back up as a flat, but obviously no breaker starts it to the upside. No big engulfing move to the upside tells us that we should have just held our sorts and stayed in a sort. Now it actually looks more like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. We do have interest rate news coming out tomorrow for the dollar, and I will be live streaming on YouTube at the time of the news. So if you stop in for my YouTube live stream tomorrow, we'll definitely watch the news together. At this point, I kind of feel like gold may actually go down and sweep all these lows, maybe even go down and take these lows, maybe go all the way down to the 61.8. I think there's a pretty good chance that tomorrow's news is going to cause gold to go up, but we're definitely going to have to find out what it looks like prior to tomorrow's news. And like I said, luckily I will be live streaming at the news event, so definitely stop in for that. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.